Hi, I'm Stuart from SRB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so I'm back on my own roof again today. I haven't been here for a couple of weeks because work has just been so busy. I just haven't had a chance to get here and do anything. So things haven't really progressed since the last video of the roof update at all. To be honest with you, I'm not really sure what the plan is for today. I think what I'd like to do is to get the dormer completely finished. There's a bit of tiling left to do up there. I think it'd be quite good to try and get that done first. Not a great deal, just a little patch in there and all the cuts to do there as well. So it'd be nice to get that completely done. Also, I've got some more tiles that I need to get up. Just down there, just under half a pallet. I've left them for the time being because I wasn't sure if I was going to need them at all. I didn't want to get them up here to take them back down again, but I've only got that pile of tiles left, and it's got to do that dormer, that patch in there as well. Also, there's a patch to fill in there, and there's the rest of the curve to go around as well. So I think I'm definitely going to need those tiles up here. So I think a good plan would be get the dormer finished, get the rest of the tiles up here, and see if we can start doing a bit more of this curve. Okay, I've just had a word with the roofer now that he's here. He's just unloading down there. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish off that dormer between the two of us, make things a bit easier. But first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly bump up the rest of those tiles. Okay, that's all those tiles bumped up now. Oh my god, it's flipping hard work. I don't know how roof tilers do this all day. It's definitely much easier being a lead man. So now all the tiles are up, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to have a quick tidy up on the scaffold because there's a few bits of rubbish up here. Just tidy things up a little bit in this corner. Then I'll help the roofer up there on the dormer. Okay, I've just been helping the roofer out, doing all these cuts up this hip. So these are all sat in now. What we're going to do, we're going to go for a break, and after break he's going to pug all them on and try and get the ridges on as well. So he's pretty self-sufficient with that. So whilst he's doing that, what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to tile in this area here, working away from the dormer, so I can just get this patch in here, or as much as I can. I mean, it makes it a little bit more tricky for when I come to lead the dormer, but I think I'll just lay a ladder up and it'll all be fine. Okay, we're getting on pretty well. The roof is nearly finished up on the dormer there. He's just got a couple more hip bridge to go on, and he's got to point that in as well, and there's a little patch to fill in there as well. I'm doing all right at getting this section tiled in. It's got a little section to tile in down there and a load of cuts to do. hopefully I'll be able to get that in tonight, but I'm not sure I'm going to have enough tiles left. I've literally only got that row through there and a few left there as well, and it's got to do all of that. I think it'll be enough for that, but also still need to tile in that section through there, and there's still a bit more of this curve to do as well. At one point we thought we had a whole pallet of tiles left over, but now it looks like it's going to go the other way and we're probably going to need some more. But we'll see how much is left once I've finished tiling this in. So I'm going to get this done now. Okay, quite a productive day. The roofer has managed to get all that dormer done, so that's another thing crossed off the list. And I've pretty much managed to get all that section tiled in. I've just got a few more cuts to do up the hip. So there's not that much more left to do now. Just got this curve to finish off. And that section to tile in there. And then obviously the lead on the dormer. So I'm thinking probably 2 more days and then it'll all be done. But I'm going to wrap this video up here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.